I have built a digital marketing business that I started completely from scratch back in May 2024, all with no tech skills and a 45-year-old brain. In this video, I am going to show you the exact steps that you need to take on how you can have an automated business as a beginner. This method works even if you're brand spanking new to all of this. If we haven't met, my name is Laura, a wife and a mother of twin girls, and a former 9-to-5er who now helps other mothers build flexible income online, even if they have never made one single dollar in the online space before. So why do most people struggle making money online? Let's get started right here. Because if you've ever bought a course and you still feel stuck, it's not your fault. Most people struggle online, and it's not because you're lazy or not smart enough. It's because no one gave them a full system. Like, I remember being part of masterminds and buying digital marketing courses before and thinking, well, what am I going to sell? Where's the products? What emails do I send out? How do I start? I mean, it was great to learn, but it wasn't a full system. I realized I didn't just need information, I needed a plan and a product. That's what changed everything for me. Once I found a program that had high converting digital products, systems, and training that actually walked me step by step, it was so good for my 45-year-old brain. So it was like, I got a product, check. I got a system, check. I got a plan, check. So if you've been burnt out before, I just checked all your boxes and you can do this online thing just like me. Well, I'm here to tell you this is the golden nugget. Make sure you grab my Freedom Formula blueprint down below. It breaks down the exact steps that I used to going from completely overwhelmed to letting go of my 9-to-5 and staying home with my kids. I get this question the most. Laura, how do you do a 2-hour workday? Well, let me break it down to you. Here's something I wish I'd learned sooner. There is a big difference between learning and earning. You could sit and watch and learn forever and feel really kind of busy. But if you're not taking intentional action, you're not building income. I started plugging into a system. I realized what I was missing. It was structure, simplicity, and automation. So here's what my process looks like. I create a short video once. I link it to my freebie. Viewers opt in to go into my email sequence. The emails are designed to educate and answer all of their questions and to build trust. And when they're ready, they buy. And if it's not for them, they just unsubscribe. Even while off living my life, this automated system is working for me 24/7. You know what the best part is? I don't have to use every single social media platform that's out there. I always recommend starting off on a platform that you know and are comfortable with. If it's Facebook, then do Facebook. If it's TikTok, do TikTok. I started on TikTok. But for me, my new favorite has become YouTube because these videos run 24/7 in your favor. They keep working long after you push publish. And that's your real first step to starting automations. And this is where the magic starts. Because if you're doing everything manually, email automations might be the thing that you're missing. So why is this the missing link for most beginners? Beginners don't realize how important email automations are or even how to set them up. I really had no clue. If you want consistent sales, you need to capture people's emails and have a freebie that people actually want. That way, when somebody is actually interested, you're not scrambling to try to figure it out and follow up. Your email automations is doing all the heavy lifting for you. I see so many people doing things the hard way, like DMing constantly. It's just trading time for dollars. And that, you might as well go back to my 9-to-5. And if you want to test this and see how it works, grab my Freedom Formula blueprint below. You'll actually experience how the system works by opting in and seeing the email automations that come in automatically, just like it would for all of your customers. That's what makes this a business and not a hustle. You can piece together a digital marketing business all on your own. You could spend months trying to build a funnel. You could figure out which product converts. You could piece together email marketing and try to reverse engineer what the pros are doing. And hey, if you have the time and the brain space for that, then go right ahead. But if you're like me and am busy working and raising my kids, wanting to spend time with my family, well, then maybe you want something simpler, something doable, something where the steps are laid out for you. And that's exactly why I use this done-for-you business model that is already laid out for me. You get a digital product that is already built, already tested, proven to sell, a completely full website, already done for you funnel, and automatic email system, step-by-step training on how to create content, open up new income streams like affiliate marketing and product creation. And the list goes on and on and on. A community that walks alongside of you, coaching that doesn't talk over your head. And that is why I can learn this stuff. Because I wasn't starting from scratch. And my 45-year-old brain could wrap itself inside of this. So if you want to learn about this business in a box and see how it works, opt in. It's the same thing that I did to see and to learn more and to see if this was something that was good for me. If not, unsubscribe. Grab the link below. So let me tell you the real reason why I jumped online. It wasn't just for the side hustle income, although that was important. But my husband and I were short. Our kids were young. We weren't being able to go on vacation, have any extras. If kids were asking for things, it was always no. And I was tired of saying no. And I knew I needed to create a new income stream, something different. One that didn't tie me down to a location, one that didn't eat up all of my time, and would allow me to be home with my kids after school. I wanted to make more memories with them. And I wanted to build something that gave me options. And that is when I found this business model, and it literally changed my life. Because of this system, I am able to work from home from my phone. And it's not just some random side gig. It's a complete framework, a high-demand digital product, a done-for-you website, a plug-and-play email system, coaching and training. So when you put all that together, you got freedom. The freedom to wake up when you want, the freedom to travel, the freedom to give your children the experience that they're asking for, to keep earning while living your life. And that's what we wanted. And I want that just for you too. It's 100% possible. So if you're ready to build a business that actually gives you time freedom, not just another side hustle that eats up all of your time, then start here. Grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. See exactly how everything is set up. Because if I can do it with zero tech skills, with my 45-year-old mom brain, then trust me, so can you. The only difference between me and someone that is still stuck is that I said yes. And I took the first step. So what's holding you back?